guys, it's Haley and Annabelle. Today we're going to do another 3 a.m. challenge. And I know this is the third one tonight, but we're just so bored. And we're just going to be playing with slime again. So, let's get into this video. So, it is 3:35 a.m. And we're basically just going to play a slime. And that's
see what's gonna happen.
Yeah, like we want to know if this is real or not because we haven't ever done this. So, whoa! I mean, it's just a small bubble.
So slimy that is.
I hope nothing happens. Nothing bad happens to us. That would suck. I mean, that would stink. What the heck are you doing, Alicia? He's in the shower.
He's taking a shower. So slimy.
Yeah, it's so slippery.
It's also
I have to use the restroom. I'll be right back.
Okay. So. Oops. This is so slimy, so sticky. That was cool. So slimy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck? Nothing's there. What the heck?
Why are the lights off again? That happened to me in Alicia. It's getting ridiculous. Did you see anybody turn it off?
No.
What?
Ooh. That was creepy.
Yeah, didn't you hear stomping? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Someone just threw the hairbrush and threw the keys. Something did. I had no clue what. I don't know. Did you do that?
No.
Were you playing on the tablet?
Yeah, I was definitely playing on the tablet. Was it this and the brush?
I saw the brush move. I saw it jump. I saw it jump from floor to floor.
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm scared.
Guys, we are so scared.
So sticky.
Okay, guys, we're really freaked out now.
I'm sleeping in the living room on the floor. I'm taking a blanket.
Sorry, guys. He's crazy sometimes.
He's
Not
also
crazy,
mean.
silly.
Yeah,
Guys,
he's
this is really, like, what is it called?
sticky.
Crackly. It's really crackly. If you squeeze it, it's really crackly.
I'm squeezing it. It's not crackly. Oh.
Poppy, crackle, whatever. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, our blanket just moved. It, like, fell off of the bed, and it
And we
really
don't know
freaked us
where it
out.
went.
No, it's hanging off the bed now. Look, watch out, Annabelle. I don't know if you guys can see here. I'll show you. Look, it moved. It wasn't down here. It was like way up here.
Yeah.
That is insane.
Yeah, guys, so this challenge is so scary. So I hope you guys comment down below.
No, make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah.
And share.
Like and subscribe. We do all this stuff for you, but you guys don't. That's so mean.
You guys do not want to do 3 a.m. challenges.
Please don't. No.
They're really creepy.
I like watching them. That's where I got this idea from, obviously.
So we got this 3 a.m. challenge from Toys and
From
Me.
JC and Casey. And
And
Toys and Me.
Oh.
And who else? Oh,
Ruby
Rebecca's
Roo.
and Molo and Ruby Roo. But Ruby Roo is fake.
yeah.
She's so fake.
Yeah, and I got that from JoJo Siwa.
Bah. Abba. Abba. Abba.
Guys,
Guys,
make
I'll just
sure
play
you
with this one.
like and subscribe. I hope you guys like this video.
Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Next week's gonna be me.
No.